Hello my amazing viewers, you all are welcome to today's tutorial. So before I say any other thing, I want to wish you all happy new year. I'm super happy that we all made it to 2024. Yes, I'm super happy, and I'm sending you all, my lovely viewers, my fans, my supporters, I send lots of hugs and best wishes for the year 2024 to you all. So I was unable to make cake for Christmas 2023 to post in my channel, and because of that I decided to still make a cake that aligns with the season. Yes, I decided to make this amazing top forward cake, designing a snowy mountain and a kind of small village beside it. So sit back and relax, enjoy this tutorial. So as you all know, each of my video that I make a voiceover, know that there's something behind it. Okay, I don't just make voiceovers in my videos. So making voiceover means I'm ready to drop one tip for you to grab, especially when it has to do with fondant. So relax and enjoy this tutorial. There must be something you are going to grab after watching this video. Don't skip any part. You might be skipping the most important part that you need to view or you need to listen. So guys, let's get started. So top forward cake can be very tricky to cover because you need to cover the both parts, which is the top and the bottom. So because of this, a lot of people find it very difficult to cover, because I could remember my first top forward cake, I had to crack my brain on what to do, because most top forward cake in online are buttercream or cream cakes. I think I've not even seen a fondant top forward cake. I have not. So I came up with the idea on my own, and I find it very difficult then. That was 2 years back. So this time around, I came up with a different idea on how to cover it. It's same paneling. The other one was paneling, and this is also paneling. But with this method, it was quite very much okay for me. And I achieved a better sharp edge with this method. So just watch what I did here, and if you're planning to cover up a top forward cake, then this is much more better method for you to go with. Yes. And another thing I find out why I was covering my cake is that one part was slightly lower than the other part, but then I had to continue with my designing because I'm making a top forward cake, so it's not going to be a barrier. But if this was to be a standing cake, man, it would have been a disaster for me. Yes, if you can see, my cake is totally shapeless. It's totally shapeless. But guess what I did? I had to slice out that slanty part. That slanty part was where I sliced out, and then it made my cake to balance. Yes. So most of the times it's good you pay attention to your cake. Pay attention to your cake so that you know where your designing starts and where it ends. It helps you a lot to hide some kind of deformations on your cake. Whenever you have some kind of deformations on your cake, you pay very good attention to it. Don't let anything distract you at that moment, so that you know where your designing starts and where it ends, because designing sometimes helps you to hide a lot of mistakes, and at the end of the day, people will not even believe that that mistake ever existed on your cake. I'm trying to give my mountain more detailed look, more to define more of it. I already traced the mountain with a fondant, so I'm trying to give it more life. I'm trying to make it look more real with a very soft workable fondant. So I'm moving around with a very soft workable fondant all around it and pressing it down, slicing it all over the traced fondant. So this is going to make the mountain look a bit more real. I also applied a royal icing to it. This royal icing is just like that kind of snow look on a mountain. Yeah, that sky blue snowy look on a mountain. So here is also a green fondant, a very soft one as well, that I created in a sausage roll, a kind of triangle sausage roll, long, and I pressed with a finger and glued it to the cake. It's very soft, so it's workable. I use my tool to press it and give it a little slice to give it a shady kind of leaves and all that. So at this point the day was already dark, so soon I wrapped up my cake, and the following morning I designed the remaining part. So sit back and relax and watch. I know that this part is a bit very dim for you to see. I soon packed up my cake because it was already dark, though I didn't find out that it was dark on time. Before I could notice it, it was a bit late for me. So guys, don't skip yet. Relax and enjoy this tutorial to the end. So for the buildings, I used a template I downloaded from Pinterest. If you watch few of my videos, you see that I always say that I download my templates from Pinterest, so you can check it out. You will see it on Pinterest. Yeah, so I downloaded it from there, printed it out, and they came in a row in different kind of shape of buildings, black and white, so I downloaded and I just chose the ones I like among them all, and here it is. I use it to sketch out the buildings. Here was this following morning. This was where I started off the following morning. So I'm just kind of detailing the doors and the windows, the tiny doors and windows, with a black gel color. Adding more details to the doors, windows, and to the roofs with a white fondant. I'm trying to define more of it. Please, if you have watched to this extent, don't forget to like this video. If you have not subscribed yet, please, it is absolutely free. It might mean nothing to you, but it means a lot to me. Please subscribe to my channel. Leave me a kind comment. If there is any video you would want me to make, or any tutorial you want me to make, please drop it at the comment section. If you have any question, feel free to drop it. I will gladly answer every of your questions. Trying to add more snow down the buildings. And a snow-covered tree. I made this cake just to lighten up the season, to make up for the Christmas cake I was unable to post in my channel. I hope you do like this tutorial. Yes, if there is any tutorial you want me to make, please drop it. I will gladly make it. So guys, here is our end result. It was amazing having you in today's tutorial. You take care. See you in my next video. Bye.